Here's a little video of the storm outside that we're getting.
We'll get a little bit of video of the storm inside.
Yep. And of course the storm inside. There we go. Hey James, say hi for the camera.
Here.
He is hungry.
Hey, here we go. Look at now, see. Look at me. Daddy's gonna take a picture of you. Look at. Daddy's gonna take a picture of you. Are you being good? Are you being good?
And the storm is still raging outside, but the storm inside has calmed down a little bit.
Boo. Say we're waiting for dinner and it's not coming fast enough, Daddy. Oh.
All right, we're gonna go get you the bottle.
Say bye. Say bye, everybody. Bye,